We're canceled. It's over. It's over, guys. They got the cooking corner footage. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cooking Corner with me, Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. Today for you, I'm going to be making, what is it called?
Maple bacon Brussels sprouts.
Maple bacon Brussels sprouts. Yeah, it'll be easy. Ready?
I'm just now noticing the leaves on the light. We want to
Leaves on the lights! Can't have those! Reshoot everything. It's freezing out there. Could be a hockey stick. Barilla! Almost had it that time. Hold on, wait. I can do it a third time. Caramelized? What is that? Candy? Don't worry, I'm gonna explain it. Now to figure out how to explain caramelization. Because it's so cold out, we are gonna boil up some water to wash our hands with. It's gotta be secure, otherwise George will come by and stick his fingers in before not looking. But if he sees that this much effort to get to the dough, he won't make a move on it. Very hot. Too hot. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a scientist over here in the kitchen.
You're not making fission.
Yeah, it's nuclear fission in this kitchen.
We're making an atom bomb in the kitchen.
Nobody said bomb, Maggie.
Whoa.
You're the only one saying bomb.
No one said bomb. You said bomb.
You're gonna have to open that.
A moth came out of it. Alright, you survived in the dishwasher. Moving on to step number 5. Is that right? 5? To step number... Matt, what step is it?
Oh shit. Step 5 is add second dough.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, action.
Matt, what step are we on? 5, I think?
This is step number 4, actually.
That can't be right.
Can't be right. Action.
Step 5?
I think so. Matt, what step are we on?
You're on step number 5,
Three.
which is make your filling.
3. Thank you, Matt. 3.
You're
2,
appreciated, Matt.
1. Action.
Now, you gotta go on to the next step. You know what it is? I haven't hydrated. It's fine.
Hit the water.
One take and then I'll hydrate. Go ahead, open your oven. Woo, it smells like fall. This here is a prime example of some good caramelization. That was delicious! Once you think,
3.
what did you think we were making?
I don't know.
We tried to come up with S words to match the noodle for like 10 minutes.
I know, No, I know we were making snickerdoodles, but I forgot what snickerdoodles were.
Okay, it's fine, it's whatever, it doesn't matter. Ready?
3, 2, 1, action.
That concludes this week's episode of Cooking Corner with me, Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. I hope you liked the video. I certainly know I did. Well, no, not the video.